Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Genie garage door opener remote not working, reset sync and learn button guide. Fix 1 is replace the remote batteries. Open the battery cover, then remove the old battery. Insert a new battery correctly, then test the remote. Second one is reprogram the remote. Find the learn program button on the garage door opener, then press and release the learn button. Press the button on the remote, then wait for the opener light to blink. Test the remote. Third one is reset the remote. Remove the battery from the remote, then wait for about 30 seconds. Put the battery back in, reprogram the remote, test it. Fourth one is check the remote range. Stand within 10 to 20 feet of the garage door opener. Try using the remote. If it only works at the short distance, replace the battery or check for signal interference. Fifth one is make sure the lock vacation mode is off. Check the wall mounted control panel, then if the lock or vacation mode is enabled, press and hold the lock button for a few seconds to disable it. Test the remote again. Thanks for watching.